Could using Pine Sol cause mice to move to other areas of the home rather than leave entirely? Pine Sol and similar strong-scented cleaners can alter rodent movement by masking familiar scent trails and making areas temporarily inhospitable, but they rarely solve an infestation on their own. Mice rely heavily on scent to navigate, so a potent odor can disrupt their established paths and push them into quieter adjacent spaces such as wall voids, attics, basements, or behind appliances. Use targeted cleaning, apply Pine Sol where you want to discourage activity, then follow with a mild unscented cleaner to remove residues so you are not simply creating new attractant gradients. Combine scent management with trapping and exclusion by placing snap or humane traps along likely travel routes, perpendicular to walls spaced every 6 to 8 feet in active zones, and check them daily. Inspect and seal entry points with steel, wool, and caulk, or use sheet metal for larger gaps, paying attention to areas around pipes, vents, and foundations where mice can squeeze through openings the size of a quarter. Maintain dry, clutter-free storage and store food in sealed, rigid containers to remove shelter and food incentives that would make displaced mice settle elsewhere. Common mistakes include assuming scent alone will make mice leave, treating only visible rooms and not adjacent cavities, and failing to monitor for new activity after treatment. Relying solely on strong cleaners causes temporary movement and delays proper exclusion, so always pair cleaning with inspection and sealing of entry points and active trapping. Treating only the kitchen or living area while ignoring garages, basements, or attic spaces often results in mice relocating, so inspect and protect those zones and set detection methods like tracking powder or flour in hidden paths to find new routes. Not following up after an initial effort leads to reestablishment, so maintain monitoring for at least 4 weeks and adjust traps and seals as you detect changes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for exclusion, repair, and cleanup projects related to rodent issues, and it also helps contractors find work by listing available jobs in their service area. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, share photos, and ask specific questions about solutions so we can learn from each other.